Lanao Communication Technology Limited, established in 2013, has been steadfastly dedicated to designing, developing and manufacturing cutting-edge optical and Ethernet transmission products. Our goal is to foster a more interconnected world through efficient, sustainable and transformative communication technologies. With certifications such as CETL, CE, FCC, NOM, REACH, UKCA, EAC, we are committed to quality and compliance. Specializing in Broadcom, Marvel, Centech and Realtech solutions, leveraging refined design, Lanao crafts diverse products with high-density interfaces and meticulously crafted internal structures for superior performance. High-performance server processors catering to multi-rate, access from 10 GE to 400 GE, ensure high speed, low latency and zero packet loss. Dual power supply, hot swappability, and smart fan modules exemplify a commitment to uninterrupted business operations. Adopting the leaf-spine model in network architecture, Lanao serves sectors like internet cloud services, supercomputing centers, smart cities, transportation, education, healthcare, campus network, park management, and energy management. The company's commercial and industrial switches, designed for specific environments, offer rich port configurations and diverse management methods. Industrial switches adhere to Class A standards, ensuring reliability and protection against power surges in harsh environments, -40 Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Lanao's commitment to innovation is evident in switching modules, main control modules, power control modules and I/O modules, showcasing a modular approach and embedded systems for tailored solutions. Lanao Communication is a forward-thinking company that blends advanced hardware and software solutions to address diverse communication needs across industries, from safe cities to smart infrastructures. We are tailored solution provider of optical and Ethernet transmission equipments. We protect your brand and reputation as our own.